In today's video, I'll show you how to export audio from Descript as MP3. First, we start on the Descript home screen where you can see your list of recent projects. I'll move my cursor over and click on the project named Add Captions to open it up. As the project loads, we can see the full transcription and video preview appear in the main workspace. Once you are satisfied with your project, look towards the top right corner of the interface. You will see a prominent button labeled Export. I'm going to click on that to bring up the Export Settings panel on the right side of the screen. In this side panel, you will see several tabs at the top for different export types like video, timeline, transcript, and subtitles. Since we only want the audio, I will click on the first tab labeled Audio. With the Audio tab selected, we now have access to several configuration options. You can change the destination, choose specific export options, and change the file format. Right now, the format is set to lossless WAV audio. To change this, I will click on the drop-down menu next to Format. This opens a list of available audio formats, including AAC audio and MP3 audio. I will move my cursor down and select MP3 audio from the list to update our export settings. Now that our format is properly set to MP3, I will look down at the bottom of the export panel and click the large Export button to start processing. This immediately triggers a progress wheel that says, Exporting Audio. After a brief moment, a Windows Save As dialog box pops up automatically. The file name defaults to Add Caption, which looks perfect, and the file type is correctly set to MP3. I'll go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom. Since a file with the same name already exists in this folder, a warning prompt appears asking if I want to replace it. I'll click Yes to confirm and overwrite the old file. The pop-up closes, and back in Descript we can track the progress of our export right inside the panel. The percentage indicator shows the file is processing smoothly, moving past 50%, then into the late 80s, and quickly hitting 99%. It finishes up by downloading the completed file straight to our computer. Once the status changes to Audio Export Completed and shows all completed, we are fully done inside the web browser. Next, I will minimize Descript and open up the Windows File Explorer. I'll navigate over to the Downloads folder from the left-hand navigation panel. I'll double-click the file to open it up in the default media player. The audio player opens instantly, and as I hit play, the audio tracks perfectly and sounds crystal clear. And that's it. That's how you export audio from Descript as MP3.